Welcome to the beginning of our Green Gold Agri Seeds hybrid breeding program. Our objective is clear: to breed hybrid seeds that enhance crop yields, improve resistance to pests and diseases, ensure food security for future generations, and offer an affordable price point for farmers everywhere. We've successfully completed the first crucial steps: preparation of the land, ensuring optimal soil conditions for sowing to provide a fertile environment for our crops, turning the soil, enhancing soil aeration and nutrient distribution to create the perfect foundation for healthy crop growth, leveling, achieving an even surface for uniform crop growth, ensuring efficient water distribution during irrigation, marking and tagging, marking rows for precise planting and tagging areas to track different hybrid varieties, facilitating accurate monitoring and management, planting seeds, sowing seeds at the right depth and spacing to ensure optimal conditions for seedling emergence and robust growth. First, irrigation, providing essential moisture for seed germination, promoting healthy and timely sprouting of seeds. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more updates on our hybrid breeding program.